everyone, welcome to page Buntim Rice and also welcome to our short video. So, and nice to see you again. I hope you are doing good. So in this video, we're going to learn about vegetable. Do you like vegetables? So, are you ready? Let's get started. For the first word, we have vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetable spelled V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Vegetable. For example, the children don't like the vegetable. The children don't like vegetables. For the second word, we have potato. Potato. Potato spelled P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. For example, French fry made from potatoes. French fry makes from potato. For the third word, we have onion. Onion. Onion spelled O-N-I-O-N. Onion. For example, she will cook onion soup for her children. She will cook onion soup for her children. For the fourth word, we have eggplant. Eggplant. Eggplant spelled E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. For example, my father planted eggplants in the rainy season. My father plants eggplants in the rainy season. For the last word, we have carrot. Carrot. Carrot spelled C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. For example, the rabbit likes to eat carrot. The rabbit likes to eat carrot. So please repeat after me. Vegetable. Vegetable. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Eggplant. Eggplant. Carrot. Carrot. Very good, everyone, and thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you like this video. Please try to remember about the vegetables that we have learned today, and please don't forget to make the sentences and leave it in a comment. So if you do it right, we will give a thumb up, and if not, we will have check. If you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny, please click the link. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.